And here we have the master bathroom. Obviously, we've gutted this as well. It's gonna be a beautiful shower here, a nice banding in the tile. We're removing the tub, eliminating the tub, enlarging the shower. We're gonna put a nice window in the shower, that's coming. This whole area has been opened up. This was a couple of small closets. We've opened this up into one big walk-in closet for the customer. And then in the whole house, we're doing an entire paint job, entire flooring. So let's talk about the staircase, which is gonna be gorgeous when we're done. So here's the staircase. We do a new handrail, new stair treads, new risers. Oh, we're gonna do an entry door here. It's gonna be a nice entry out now, instead of bumping into this wall. This is Zach's bedroom, and we're gonna widen this for his access as well. It's gonna come down through here, at least 36 inches wide, come down the hall into his beautiful ADA bathroom. So we're just so excited to get this knocked out for him.